the Assistant Division Commander of the Joint Task Force Diamond for Reservists and Retirees Affairs, I hereby declare that the Reserve Force Joint Training Exercise Hiniusang Pagbansay 2024 open effective this date.
Nagsama-sama ang 276 na mga miyembro ng Reserve Force ng Army, Air Force at Navy mula sa buong Eastern Mindanao para sa 3 araw na Reserve Force Joint Training Exercise Hiniusang Pagbansay na isinagawa sa Mindanao Army Training Group sa Camp Kibaritan, Kalilangan, Bukidnon noong Mayo 3 hanggang Mayo 5. Layunin nitong mapalakas pa ang kahandaan ng mga Ready Reserve Units at Affiliated Reserve Units at mapalawak ang kaalaman at kasanayan ng mga reservist sa mga bagong teknik at pamamaraan ng isang sundalo na may kaugnayan sa kanilang deployment sa panahon ng operasyon. Sa 3 araw na pagsasanay, nagkaroon ng serye ng mga lecture at capability demonstration ang mga subject matter experts, pati na rin ang mga tropa, hinggil sa mahalagang papel ng Reserve Force, humanitarian assistance and disaster response, first aid o medical evaluation at war-fighting drills.
It's mobilization and assembly exercise, but it's beyond the normal practice. Kapag nag-mobilize at nag-assembly exercise yung mga reservists, they come in for 1 day and they show capability demo, they show their skills. Praktisado man yun. Ang Reserve Force Joint Training and Exercise is a 3-day simulation of the mobilization for utilization of the AFP reservists.
I'm expecting this activity to be very practical and can be applied to any situation, especially the humanitarian and disaster response that can be applied in any event, especially in any calamities and any disaster.
I was expecting that yung same lang sa ROTC, but I was so overwhelmed and I'm very much privileged to be part of the Reserve Force dahil ang dami kong natutunan, discipline and your attitude and the limitations, and especially sa military training. I also imparted my skills in the medical fields.
I joined these activities, sir, to broaden my skills, my knowledge in military field, as well as to support my country and also to my fellow reservists in serving our nation.
Sa mga kapwa ko Reserve Force, let's continue what we have started. So, let's love our uniform. Kahit saan man tayo magpunta, be proud. The discipline will always be in our heart. Magtulungan tayo, magkaisa. Reserve Force, kaya natin to.
Sa kanyang mensahe na ipinaabot ni 4th ID Assistant Division Commander for Reservists and Retiree Affairs, Colonel Ted B. Dumusmog, inihayag ni Armed Forces of the Philippines Deputy Chief of Staff for RRA, Major General Joel Alejandro Naknak, ang kanyang pasasalamat at paghanga sa mga reservists pati na rin sa mga regular na tropa na lumahok sa training at nagtulong-tulong upang makamit ang adhikain na mapaunlad at mapalakas pa ang Reserve Forces.
The successful conclusion of this joint exercise highlights the remarkable strides we have made in the development of our reserve forces. It serves as a reminder that, as a nation, we are unwavering in our commitment to providing the best training resources and support to our reserve forces. The dedication and sacrifice demonstrated throughout this exercise deserves our utmost respect and gratitude. Let us never forget that our reserve forces stand ready, shoulder to shoulder with our active troops, to protect and defend the principles and values that our great nation holds dear. May this joint exercise serve as a beacon of inspiration, guiding us towards a future where our reserve forces are even more prepared, capable, and esteemed.
Napapanahong balita, serbisyo publiko para sa Pilipino. Bon Olavides, 4ID News.